In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to download high quality here in Canva. Now, please be aware what I'm about to show you can only be done with a Canva Pro account. Now, to download high quality, it all comes down to your settings when you download. So if we come to share, then if we click on download, with PNG, it all comes down to this bar. So we can increase the quality by increasing this bar. But again, if we look here, this has a crown icon. So anything with a crown icon means it's Canva Pro. So unfortunately, we can only do this with a Canva Pro account. But increasing this bar is going to increase the quality of the image. Now, if we go on JPEG, we have very similar options. We can play around with the size of this. As we can see, it plays with the pixels just here. And we also have this quality bar just here. If we increase this quality bar, we're going to be able to download higher quality images. Now, if we go back one, then if we come on to download again, let's go on to an MP4. Now, to increase the quality of this, again, we just want to increase this bar. Now, as we can see here, it's increasing the pixel size and it's showing us what it's going to be best for. So this video, this increase is going to be better for social media. If we keep increasing this, it's now better for streaming. And if we go again, it's now going to go to large screens. So as you can see, it's pretty simple to download high quality here in Canva. Now, if you found this video helpful at all, then please consider giving me a like, as it really helps out the channel. And if you're not too sure what to watch next, click right here and watch this playlist.